National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wells County in south-central North Dakota, central Sheridan County in south-central North Dakota, southwestern Pierce County in north-central North Dakota, southeastern McHenry County in north-central North Dakota, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Alta to 10 miles northeast of Martin to 8 miles northeast of McCluskey, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of Wells, central Sheridan, southwestern Pierce, and southeastern McHenry counties, including the following locations: Cheyenne Lake, Manfred, Silva, Fells, Bowdoin, Wellsburg, Hoffer Lake, Emmerich, Denhoff, and Bremen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.